I've been using TokenPocket for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it truly stands out as a go-to crypto wallet in 2025. TokenPocket is a multi-chain wallet that supports a wide range of blockchains like Ethereum, BNB Chain, Tron, and even Layer 2 solutions. It gives users access to DeFi platforms, dApps, and in-wallet swapping, making it feel more like a Web3 gateway than just a basic wallet. One of its strengths is the built-in dApp browser, which allows you to interact with decentralized apps directly without leaving the wallet. It also offers private key control, multi-wallet management, and hardware wallet integration, which adds an extra layer of flexibility and control for users who value security. That said, it's not without its issues. The interface can feel cluttered, especially for beginners, and sometimes dApp connections are buggy or slow, depending on the network. While the app claims to be non-custodial, it doesn't always make key backup and recovery steps obvious, which could lead to major problems if you're not tech-savvy. Another concern is that the wallet links out to a lot of third-party tools, including swaps and staking platforms. And that opens the door to potential risks if you don't fully understand what you're connecting to. There's also limited customer support if something goes wrong. And with crypto, even small mistakes can cost a lot. Overall, TokenPocket is a feature-packed wallet that's great for experienced users who want deep access to the Web3 ecosystem, but it may be overwhelming or risky for those just starting out. If you do decide to use it, make sure you back up your private keys and double-check any third-party dApps you interact with. I hope this review helped you understand whether TokenPocket is the right choice for your crypto journey. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. Catch you in the next one.